Imagine a world where hunger could be erased with a single stroke of a pen. Estimates show that from billionaires, only those whose wealth exceeds $1 billion, it would be possible to collect an astonishing $6,472.2 billion, while they would still remain billionaires. That amount is so immense it could guarantee that not a single person on this planet goes hungry for the next 216 years. To grasp the scale, imagine this: an average meal in poor regions of the world costs less than $1. With this money, trillions of such meals could be funded, along with food storage facilities, farming systems, schools, and hospitals. It could build a society where hunger is not a threat, but a long overcome past. The number 216 years reminds us that this is more than 2 centuries of security for all humanity. The question is not whether it's possible, because the math is clear. The question is there the will to build such a world? Think about it, and subscribe for more.